Apologies, I'm feeling a bit worse for wear today. A few too many beers last night whilst watching Scotland take a massive drubbing from bloody Germany because the Euros kicked off. Because I support both Scotland and England in the Euros because I'm part Scottish as well as English. It's just no flex at all, it just means that I get disappointed twice. Big pail of shite. But anyway, onto the video. I'm going to show you how to make proper egg fried rice just like the takeaway. And takeaway egg fried rice is very easy to do, very easy to make, but there are a few steps you need to follow, a few techniques and a secret ingredient. So make sure you watch the whole thing, no skipping, no clicking to the end. Watch the whole thing. By the end of it, you'll know how to make proper takeaway egg fried rice. And I need something to soak up all this booze. Some carbs. Ugh. First things first though, before you do anything else, we need to talk about the rice. Okay, you need to cook your rice. If you don't know how to cook rice, don't worry, your boy's got you covered. I've already done a video on this a few months ago now. I'll put the link to that video down below. I'll tag it on screen as well. Go and watch that after you've watched this video. It shows you how to cook rice. The type of rice you need was kind of up to you. You can use long grain rice, this stuff here. Get a decent brand. I use Tilda, hashtag not sponsored. Or you can use basmati rice if you prefer. They both taste great, pays your money, takes your choice. And once you've cooked your rice, you want to put that onto like a tray, baking sheet, plate, whatever, in one single layer, nice and flat, and cool it down to room temperature. Stick it in a container, pop a lid on it, whack it in the fridge. You cannot use fresh, wet rice. There's no shortcut in that. All right, if you think, oh, I could do what I want, you tell me to use bloody wet rice. Go ahead, do it, see what happens. Right, don't say I didn't warn you. If you use wet, freshly cooked rice, it's just going to lead to misery, moistness and bullshit. Dry rice is the first important step. And ingredients wise, what you're going to need is some soy sauce. Obviously I'll put all the measurements and everything down below in the description. You've got dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. You don't need to buy the expensive stuff, like cheap stuff will work fine. I've already measured it out. The difference between the two is dark soy is kind of a bit sweet. It's got a thicker texture, it's darker in colour. So it adds that kind of dark colour to your fried rice. And light soy is saltier with a bit more flavour. It adds a bit of brightness to it. So mix the two together, you're going to be golden. Couple of eggs and the other secret ingredient, all right? MSG, or disco salt as I call it. When I tell you, if you leave this out, it's not going to taste the same. All right, I don't care what anyone says. MSG gives the fried rice that umami-ness. Right, if you've ever tried to make fried rice at home and you're like, it's not the same as the takeaway, a good portion of that is because it's got no MSG in it. It makes a difference. Get some. Only need a little bit though. And also crucially, rice. Get in a bit closer so you can see, but look how sort of dry and crumbly that rice is. Okay, that's what you want. So what I need to do, just grab a bowl. I need to weigh out the rice quickly. Scales, excuse my messy kitchen drawer, zero that out. We want 350 grams for this. Okay. And then to your rice, you want to add half a teaspoon of your disco salt, your MSG, in it goes. A little pinch of salt, not too much, because obviously there's salt in the soy sauce, and when you cook the rice, you'd have had salt as well. Then add in your light and dark soy sauce. Get that in. Then grab yourself a fork. My other messy kitchen drawer. You want to get in there, kind of mix it all together. And use the fork to kind of break up the clumps as well. Until you got something that looks like this. Don't worry that there's still like some clumps in there because we're going to break it up more as we cook it. But yeah, till everything's mixed. Next thing you want to do is twat your eggs into a vessel. I'm on one today, folks, sorry. And then just beat those up within an inch of their life. Oh, there's a bit of shell in there, isn't there? Crap. Get out. Oh, 1 second. And obviously you're going to need some sort of pan to cook your egg fried rice in. The question you might be thinking is, Adam, do I need a wok or don't I? The answer to that is quite, well, it's sort of both really. Yes and no. If you've got a nice wok at home, it's been well seasoned, well used, you know, yes, it's going to make a difference. It's going to add the wok hay to your fried rice, and it's going to taste different. It's going to taste a bit nicer. But you don't need one in order to make it, okay? I'm just going to use my bloody old saute pan. It will do the job. It will still taste very, very nice. So really the answer is, if the difference between you having a wok or not decides whether you make this, it doesn't matter. I mean, I couldn't use a flipping wok if I wanted to, because I've got a bloody shit electric hob. You know, it's flat. Can't put a wok on it, can I? It'll slide all over the place. And get the hob onto the highest setting. Well, it's gas or electric. And then add in a good glug of vegetable oil. What's this, veg oil? Yes. Or sunflower. You want something neutral. And you want to make sure that oil gets screaming hot. Hotter than the devil's arse crack, right? Till it's really hot. Probably want to open your kitchen window, get the extractor on. Here we are. Be pissing it down. Once that's nice and hot, go straight in with your egg. And immediately start moving that around, okay? You're making just like quick scrambled egg, basically. So it's going to take like 20 seconds or so. Right, like a twat, I forgot to press record when I added the rice. But yeah, add the rice. Once that egg is kind of broken up and cooked, get your rice straight in. And just keep moving it around. So use your spoon to sort of break up any clumps if there's any left. And this is going to come together in like 60 seconds. Probably not even that. Obviously you want to taste at this point for salt. I don't think I'll need any, to be honest, but I'll give it a quick taste. And your spoon. Yeah, doesn't need any salt. And that's it, done. Just switch it off. That is how you make proper, delicious, takeaway style egg fried rice. Just serve that into a nice big bowl. And if you want to be like really cheeky, stick it in like some old used takeaway tubs to fool the kids. They'll never know. They'll never know. Don't know if you can tell, it's gone absolutely pitch black outside. Pissing it down. Look at that. Good old British summer. Hey. So there we go. Egg fried rice. Nice and easy, but you've got to follow a few simple steps, a few techniques. I'm not going to use the chopsticks, I'm just going to wedge a spoon in there. Get it in your gob. Just like the takeaway. It's delicious. So there you go, showed you how to do it. Egg fried rice. Takes minutes to make. It's all about technique. Make sure you use the right rice. Cook the rice first, cool it down. Don't use wet rice. Get your MSG in there. I promise you, you're going to have a banging takeaway style egg fried rice. Listen, I'm going to love and leave you. I'm going to zone out in a minute, finish this, lie down on the settee, feel sorry for myself and watch some crap telly. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Flipping tag Uncle Roger in this, see what he thinks of it. Hopefully it'll be a fui-yo. Anyway, I'll see your gorgeous faces next time. Bye for now.